How to create a deal on Today. Creating a deal on Today is quick and easy, helping you attract more customers while showcasing your best offers. Follow these simple steps to set up your deal and start driving traffic to your business. Log into your business account, access the Today Merchant dashboard and navigate to the Deals Manager section, then Create New. Choose a place. If your business has multiple locations, choose the location that is offering this deal. Enter deal details. Give your deal an engaging name and tagline. Example, Wing Wednesday, half-price wings. Add a clear eye-catching description that highlights what's included, any terms and conditions, and the deal's value. Select the deal. Assign your deal to the right type. Example, food deal, happy hour, BOGO, drink special, limited time, so customers can easily find it. Choose the foods categories. Pick the foods categories that best describe what your deal is offering. Example, Wing Wednesday would be listed in wings and chicken. Set deal availability. Choose how the deal will be available. For example, dine-in, take-out, patio, kid-friendly, and the dates the deal will be active. Upload an image. Upload a high-quality photo that represents the deal. Eye-catching visuals make your offer more appealing. Review and publish. Double-check all the details and hit Create. Your deal will now be visible to thousands of Today users looking for great offers. Once your deal is live, customers can find it through the search page, map, or notifications. You can edit, update, or remove deals anytime through your dashboard. Start creating deals today and bring in more customers with Today.